This is actually a clinical trial in pancreatic cancer patients, and this is a randomized phase 2 study of Olaparib plus pembrolizumab versus Olaparib alone as maintenance therapy for patients with pancreatic cancer. Yeah, so basically, the POLO trial back in 2019 really kind of laid the groundwork for Olaparib as maintenance therapy in the patients with germline BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations. This showed an improvement in progression-free survival. However, there was not a benefit in overall survival. So there was really an urgent need to look for, potential mechanisms of actually deepening that response and sustaining that response. So that's where this idea came up in terms of actually adding in immune checkpoint inhibitor to Olaparib to try to potentially sustain and deepen that response. Basically, what we do know is that in terms of genomic instability does enhance the effectiveness of immune checkpoint inhibitors in that population of patients. So we wanted to kind of explore that in a randomized fashion. So in terms of for this particular clinical trial, we did not actually see an improvement in the progression-free survival as we had expected. We were actually looking for a very high bar. We're looking to actually improve progression-free survival from 7 months up to 11.7 months. So we did see signs of activity. We did see that the progression-free survival with the experimental group had increased up to about 8.2 months from about 6.4. And the response rate was higher in the combination group, up to 28% compared to 18%. However, we did not have statistical significance, and the trial was closed at the interim analysis.